In this video, I'm just going to show you what the links menu is for. Now, I don't have any entries in here by default within d7.2, but you can add your own. So just click on links, go to add edit links, and in the window that pops up, we have the configurator for any custom link that you want to add. Now you'll notice I have two different kinds of links you can add on this side. One is add URL, where you can add the URL directly to a website, and the next is add document. Basically, this links functionality really exists so that you have a quick shortcut to any documentation, be it a website or any local documents you may have in your d7.2 folder or on your flash drive where d7.2 is located, so you can access those documents quickly through this menu. Adding a URL should be pretty straightforward. So let's add a document. When you click that, the new window that pops up is going to open to your d7.2 directory. Basically, your documents may not be in your d7.2 directory. They may, for example, be on the flash drive where d7.2 is located, but not necessarily in that directory. That's okay. We'll just click up to go up to the flash drive directory, and you can actually see that I'm running d7.2 from the desktop and not a flash drive, but we'll just pretend. So I have a document, how to fix something.rtf. Just highlight it and click open, and now give it a name, fix this. Now we have the entry in our list here, the name fix this. You'll notice though the URL/document field has a variable in the name, and that is %root%. That variable basically stands for the drive letter that d7.2 is running from. This is exactly how you can use this functionality to link to any document on, for example, the flash drive that you're running d7.2 from. Because that flash drive, of course, may change drive letters depending on what system you plug it into. So that variable is just going to ensure that this document is found when you click the link. Just save and close, go up to your links menu, and now you have the new entry, and you click that, and it will open the document. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.